How you doing, YouTube? This is One again, and this video is about things that should be banned or decks that should be hit next format. Things that I think should be banned. Hornet. Hornet needs to be banned or limited to one. It's too broken. You just send one card to the grave, pop, loop, pop, 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 pop. It's just too much. Too much. Too Okay. Another card that needs to be hit. Red Eyes, Darkness, Metal Dragon needs to be hit to 2. Because with 2 Red Eyes, Darkness, Metal Dragon, that'll be the best thing to have for this format. Because dragons right now are like Teledad. Well, not Teledad, but I'm just being dramatic, but they're like too broken. I mean, you pay $30 and you can pay $30 to get 3 of the structure decks. Only thing you need after that is maybe a BLF, Future Fusion, 500. That's it. That's it, buddy. That's it. Basic Chaos Dragon build right there. Nothing more, nothing less. Another deck that I think should be hit. Wind up. Even though they're tier 2, everything that they have is at 3, and they can wind up loop you, and it's an annoying loop that goes on. If they pull it off, it goes on for almost forever until they run off into. I mean, my whole hand got destroyed one time because of a wind up loop. It's really annoying. So the mighty needs to go to 1. Yeah, so mighty needs to go to 1. I think, Insectors is just out of line. I don't know why Konami did something like gave him Ladybug, where now we don't have not only worry about the rank 3s and the rank 6s, now we have to worry about all the rank 5s like Adrius and Tyrus, or whatever the card's name is. And now we have to worry about all these new rank 6s that they just brung out. That Gaia Charger that you play at rank 6. Then, now you can exceed someone with the rank 6 now. You don't even have to exceed the Gaia Charger. You just exceed the rank 6 you already made. And then, boom, exceed. Another exceed from the field. Well, now you're destroyed. It's not a really good look. So yeah, in my next video, I think I'll be talking about decks that need more competitive play. So until then, this is One out. Peace.